Looking for the top 5 best mini PCs of 2025? Whether you need a powerful mini PC for gaming, a compact workstation for office tasks, or an efficient mini PC for video editing, we've got you covered. In 2025, mini PCs are more powerful than ever, offering incredible performance in a sleek, space-saving design. But with so many options, how do you pick the right one? Don't worry. We've tested and reviewed the best mini PCs to help you find the perfect match. Stick around to discover the top performers of the year. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert tech reviews. The Beelink SER9 AI Mini PC is a powerhouse, making it one of the best mini PCs of 2025 for professionals and power users. Featuring the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor with 12 cores and 24 threads, it delivers an impressive 5.1 GHz boost clock speed, ensuring seamless multitasking and handling demanding workloads like gaming, AI applications, and video editing with ease. Paired with 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and a 1TB NVMe PCIe 4.0x4 SSD, this mini desktop guarantees lightning-fast performance, quick load times, and exceptional storage capacity. Connectivity is also a strong point, thanks to USB 4, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.5G Ethernet, allowing for ultra-fast data transfers and network speeds. A unique feature of this mini PC is its built-in microphone and speakers, making it an excellent choice for remote work, virtual meetings, or home office setups. Whether you're a professional looking for a mini PC for office tasks or a content creator needing top-tier performance, the Beelink SER9 AI Mini PC is a fantastic investment. Check the product link in the description to learn more. The GEEKOM GT1 Mega AI Mini PC is a high-performance compact desktop that stands out among the best mini PCs of 2025. It is powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra U9-185H processor, 16 cores/22 threads, up to 5.1 GHz, delivering exceptional speed and efficiency for multitasking, AI workloads, and high-performance applications. Equipped with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this mini computer ensures blazing fast processing, storage, and responsiveness, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and productivity tasks. The GT1 Mega also offers advanced connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB 4.0, and dual 2.5G LAN, ensuring high-speed internet access and data transfer. A standout feature of this mini PC is its 8K display support, making it an excellent choice for creatives who require high-resolution visuals and professional-grade graphics performance. Whether you're looking for the best mini PC for gaming, office work, or content creation, the GEEKOM GT1 Mega AI Mini PC is a top contender. Find the product link in the description. Apple's 2024 Mac Mini with the M4 chip redefines performance in the mini PC market, delivering power and efficiency in a sleek, compact design. Featuring a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this desktop is built for Apple Intelligence, ensuring seamless performance for tasks like photo editing, 4K video rendering, music production, and software development. With 16GB, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC is an excellent budget-friendly option for those seeking a compact and reliable desktop in 2025. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, up to 3.4 GHz, it delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, streaming, and office work. With 16GB RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD, this mini PC ensures fast boot times and efficient multitasking, making it a great choice for students, professionals, or small businesses. Its gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity allow for seamless internet access and wireless peripherals, while 4K UHD support ensures crisp visuals for media consumption and light creative tasks. The Visa mount compatibility lets you attach it to the back of a monitor, making it an ideal space-saving solution for home offices, conference rooms, or business setups. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable mini PC for office use or entertainment, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC is a solid choice. Check the product link in the description for more details. For those in search of a powerful mini PC for gaming, the ACEMAGICIAN Dual LAN Mini Gaming PC is a fantastic option in 2025. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, 8 cores/16 threads, up to 4.5 GHz, This mini desktop delivers excellent processing power for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, it ensures smooth performance, fast load times, and plenty of storage for games and applications. This mini PC also features 4K triple display support, making it a great choice for content creators, traders, and professionals needing multiple screens. Thanks to Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and dual LAN ports, users can enjoy ultra-fast network speeds and stable connectivity, whether gaming online or working remotely. Its compact yet powerful design makes it perfect for those looking for a high-performance mini gaming PC without taking up too much space. If you're searching for one of the best mini PCs for gaming and professional work, the ACEMAGICIAN Ryzen 7 mini PC is a top-tier contender. Check the description for the product link.